Hello followers and welcome back to the Minecraft Weekly Snapshot. And you may be thinking, hey, it's Monday, why is there a snapshot today? Well, there's been a bunch of bugs fixed from last week's snapshot and Mojang decided to dub it 13 week 25A. So I'm going to be going through some of the notable bug fixes with you. And also covering one thing I missed from the last snapshot, 24B, which is quite important regarding the golden apples. So, Minecraft Snapshot 13 week 25A is a bunch of bug fixes. A notable bug fix includes comparators are more consistent with command blocks now. There was a bit of a problem between the two where they wouldn't always, the comparator wouldn't always update. That's now been fixed. Health boost and absorption, which I will get to in a minute, are now different. They look different down where your hearts are, and I'll explain that with a minute. That's what these are for. And I'll explain what absorption is, so you can see which is which. And another notable bug fix is that flint and steel was not using durability when lighting TNT. That's now been fixed. So, yes, health boost and absorption. So I've got two command blocks set up here which give me the various different ones, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what each one is, and then I'm going to explain what it does. So this one is health boost. I've got health boost 2 for 30 seconds, and what this does is it gives me extra hearts. So if I was to take a form of damage, unfortunately I can't take a form of damage right now, maybe I can get myself some poison, myself some poison potions. That's not how you spell poison, that is though. I just want a short one. I just want the average one here. So the average, let me get some more of that on me. So this gives me 4 extra hearts. If I end up poisoning myself, these hearts will get used up first. Unfortunately, I am actually on peaceful, so let's set this to normal. I'm going to start taking poison damage, and hopefully the poison will knock me down enough. So now it's starting into my regular hearts. So this gives me extra hearts. And now we're out of health boost. So that's what health boost does. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It gives you a health boost. You get more hearts than you would normally have. Now absorption, this gives you extra hearts, but not like the health boost. Those hearts are completely separate. These hearts will be used up first. I've got absorption 2, so I have the same 4 hearts. They look yellow because they are a special type of health. So no matter what health I'm at, if I'm damaged, those hearts will always get used up first. And they reappear every 30 seconds. So every 30 seconds, if those 4 hearts get knocked out, they reappear instantly. They don't regenerate, they get back instantly. So this gives you almost like an extra protective barrier, is what this does. It's like an insurance policy is the best way to think of it. You get a few more extra hearts which you use up first before you start taking your major damage, but if you're down on hearts and they come back, it will start automatically using those 4 hearts extra that you've gained again. And that brings me back to the golden apple. The golden apple received some tweaking again in the last snapshot. The regular golden apple now gives you health boost 1 for 2 minutes and regeneration 2 for 5 seconds, which gives you your normal 2 hearts back that it did before, and you get this 2 minutes of absorption. So you get 2 extra hearts, which get used up first. To be honest, I preferred it how it was before with the health boost. I thought that was a better change than this, but you know, we'll roll with it. Add the enchanted golden apple, what some people call the notch apple. If I eat one of these guys, I get absorption for 2 minutes. I get regeneration. It said on the wiki or the Reddit that you get regeneration 5. I don't believe that to be true, but you get regeneration, resistance, and fire resistance as you would normally. So I like that you get a bit longer regeneration on this. I think that's balanced the enchanted one out a bit more. My suggestion for the normal golden apple would be to give out health boost instead of the absorption and give out 2 hearts of health boost. That is what I would make it. I think that's a fair trade. They don't tend to make these very often in in survival anyway. It just makes getting zombie villagers a lot harder now, because you need to use ingots rather than the nuggets that we were using before. But equally, it can be kind of solved by making a zombie pigman farm above the nether, which is what some people are going to set out to do now, and build a zombie pigman farm, so you don't have to worry about that, just collecting loads of nuggets all the time. So, yeah, that's pretty much all the changes in this snapshot. There's a couple of other big bug fixes. Big fixes? No, there's no big fixes. There's plenty of bug fixes though for you to check out. I will link those down in the description in the form of the Mojang blog post page and the Reddit changelog as well. So if you're more curious to some of the other bug fixes, you can fire away and check those out. There's some fixes to some menu settings and some crashes and stuff like that. But other than that, that's pretty much it. There's not a whole lot more to say. Hopefully there's another snapshot a bit later this week with some more features in it. But as always, we appreciate the bug fixes. So, that's going to be it for now, guys. I'm going to head out of here. So, until the next snapshot, guys, see you later and have a good day.